100 plus daily used sentences in English. I invited him to tea. I invited him to tea. I invited him to tea. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. How are things going? How are things going? How are things going? What do we call this in English? What do we call this in English? What do we call this in English? This is not a joke. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to. Which date falls on Sunday? Which date falls on Sunday? Which date falls on Sunday? I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me? One has to pass the time anyhow. One has to pass the time anyhow. One has to pass the time anyhow. I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. We do not travel first class. We do not travel first class. We do not travel first class. Please be seated. Please be seated. Please be seated. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Allow me to introduce myself. Allow me to introduce myself. Allow me to introduce myself. He looks rather nervous. He looks rather nervous. He looks rather nervous. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? Please help yourself. Please help yourself. Please help yourself. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. Put the books in order. Put the books in order. Put the books in order. I will call you later. I will call you later. I will call you later. I decline that. I declined that. I decline that. Come what may, I will not talk to him. Come what may, I will not talk to him. Come what may, I will not talk to him. The examination will start on Monday. The examination will start on Monday. The examination will start on Monday. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us. How disgusting. How disgusting. How disgusting. Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming? India must stop being the follower. India must stop being the follower. India must stop being the follower. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? I don't know about telling a lie. I don't know about telling a lie. I don't know about telling a lie. I wish you a happy married life. I wish you a happy married life. I wish you a happy married life. English speaking practice sentences for kids. Don't ask. Don't ask. Don't ask. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Study here. Study here. Study here. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Have food. Have food. Have food. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Get up. Get up. Get up. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Don't boast. Don't boast. Don't boast. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Look here. Look here. Look here. I forget. I forget. I forget. Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? What happened? What happened? What happened? How did you get it? How did you get it? How did you get it? Move aside. Move aside. Move aside. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Take bath. Take bath. Take bath. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it.